Good afternoon, dear students. Hope you all will be fine. Okay, bache, tell me that have you done your previous homework? Okay, I told you yesterday that you have to share your words that start from vowel sound in a chat box with me, right? So all of you send me one word that start from vowel sound in the chat box. Shabash, Hariam. Send me shabash. Be quick, okay? Then we are going to start our today's lecture. Okay, what we will do today, we are going to write question answers of the poem, and then we will do practice of a poem. After that, we will complete a word by putting a missing letters. And the last one is articles, right? We will put a correct article in a correct place. Clear? Okay. Only Hazra Iftikhar of 5th A give me response. It means that no one have done their homework. It's not good. Okay, bache? Okay, let's move to today's work. Prepare your page. Write topic, unit 2. Oh Allah, love me. Question answers. Right? Today we are going to write the question answers of unit 2. Draw proper underlinings, margin line, prepare your page, write date, each and everything properly. Okay, bache, question number 1 is, in which things does the poet see Allah? Gee, any idea? There are 3 questions, Marwa and Mad. In which things does the poet see Allah? The answer is, the poet sees Allah in the blinking of stars, यानी सितारों के चमकने में. सितारे चमकते जो blinking करते हैं, twinkling, blinking, right? The poet sees Allah in the blinking of stars, in the swaying of trees. Then put comma. I told you that what is the purpose of putting comma? G. So whenever we use comma in our written word, so it means that we have to take a little pause over there. Right? Okay. In the swaying of trees, in the blooming of flowers, Hurry up, Shabash. And in the falling of leaves on flowers at night. The poet sees Allah in the blinking of stars. यानी जो poet है वो क्या करती है? वो अल्लाह ताला की कुदरत को, अल्लाह ताला की शान को, अल्लाह ताला की जो ताकत है उसको सितारों के चमकने में, in the swaying of trees, दरख्तों के हिलने में, in the blooming of flowers, और जो फूल खिलते हैं उनमें, and in the falling of leaves. Leaves आपको पता है ना? I told you that small drops of water over flowers, right? And in the falling of leaves on flowers at night. रात को जो फूलों पे शबनम के कतरे गिरते हैं तो उनमें अल्लाह ताला की शान हमें नजर आती है. This is your first question. All of you have right? Okay, bache, if you have wrote, then draw small finishing line, not full. Okay. Draw a small finishing line. Then we are moving to the second one question. Okay. The second question is, when does the poet feel the presence of Allah? When does the poet feel the presence of Allah? You know why I have highlighted the question? It means that you have to write this with marker, because now you are in grade 5th, so you have to use marker and ink pen, English ink pen, right? So hurry up, shabash. Okay. Answer is, the poet feels the presence of Allah when she is alone and when she cries or smiles. When does the poet feel the presence of Allah? जो शायर है, जो राइटर ऑफ द पोम है, उसको अल्लाह ताला की मौजूदगी का एहसास कब होता है? The poet feels the presence of Allah. उसको यानी शायर को अल्लाह ताला की मौजूदगी का एहसास होता है, महसूस करता है। अल्लाह ताला की कुर्बत को, अल्लाह ताला की मौजूदगी को, अल्लाह ताला की शान को। When she is alone, जब वो तन्हा होती है, and when she cries, जब वो रोती है यानी जब वो गमज़दा होती है, or smiles या खुश होती है। In all the cases, she feels the presence of Allah. शाबाश है। Done. Question number 2. All right. Okay. बच्चे, Abdul Aziz, the voice is clear. Check your connection. Shabash. Maybe there's a problem in your internet connection. After question number 2, draw half finishing line and move to question number 3. Why does the poet want more love from Allah? Put question mark after Allah. There is a typing mistake and this is question. So you have to put question mark at the end of a question, right? So why does the poet want more love from Allah? The answer is, wants more love from Allah because the poet needs a lot of care. Presence की मीनिंग है उमर बिन जाफर मौजूद होना, ठीक है, महसूस करना मौजूदगी। जिस तरह हम क्लास में आप लोग की अटेंडेंस मार्क करते हैं, जब आप लोग प्रेजेंट होते हो तो हम प्रेजेंट मार्क करते हैं। प्रेजेंस का मतलब है मौजूद होना। एंड अलोन की मीनिंग है अकेले, तन्हा। प्रेजेंस मौजूदगी, अलोन अकेले, तन्हा। प्रेजेंट मौजूद, प्रेजेंस मौजूदगी। The poet wants more love from Allah because the poet needs a lot of care and she has strong trust in Allah. This is not he, this is she, because the writer is female. So do correction over here. You have to write she on place of he. The poet wants more love from Allah पोइट को, जो शायर है, ठीक है, यानी जो फातिमा मेहरू है, राइटर ऑफ द पोम, उसको अल्लाह ताला की गुरबत, अल्लाह ताला की रहमत और भी चाहिए, बिकॉज द पोइट नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ केयर एंड ही हैज स्ट्रॉन्ग सॉरी एंड शी हैज स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रस्ट इन अल्लाह, और उसको अल्लाह ताला पे बहुत ज्यादा यकीन है, अल्लाह ताला से बहुत ज्यादा उम्मीद रखती है वो। ओके बच्चे, एक बच्चे ने क्वेश्चन किया है कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 दिखा दे, तो एट द एंड आई विल शो यू ऑल द क्वेश्चंस अगेन, ठीक है। So that was all about your question answers. Now draw full finishing line. There were 3 questions in this unit. Now here we have a very interesting activity. This is a poem, right? And we will read the poem and put the words in their suitable places. Read the following poem, Popcorn. You know popcorn? What is popcorn? Who will tell me? जब मक्की के जो छोटे छोटे दाने होते हैं, ठीक है, उसको हम भूनते हैं और उससे वो वाइट वाइट ऐसे उभरते हुए वो चीज बनती है, तो उसको हम कहते हैं पॉपकॉर्न, ठीक है। अच्छा, रीड द फॉलोइंग फॉर्म पॉपकॉर्न एंड पुट द गिवन राइमिंग वर्ड्स इन द ब्लैंक स्पेस। Okay, बच्चे, you know what is rhyming words? Rhyming words are 2 or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. Rhyming words हमारे पास वो words होते हैं जिसकी ending sound जो है वो same होती है. Yes, Muhammad Yasir, you are right, having same ending sound. So such type of words are called rhyming words. Okay. Now look at the poem. Pop, pop, popcorn. Popping in the pot. Pop, pop, popcorn. Popping in the, where they are popping? Huh? यानी कहां पे वो पकते हैं। जब वो पकते हैं तो वो ऐसे स्मॉल ब्लास्ट से करते हैं ना, ठीक है। सो कहाँ पे वो ये पकाते हैं? इन द पॉट, पॉट में, यानी उसका अपना जो स्पेसिफिक बर्तन होता है, स्पेसिफिक यूटेंसिल जिसको होते हैं, उसमें ये पकाते हैं। सो पॉप पॉप पॉपकॉर्न पॉपिंग इन द पॉट। पॉप पॉप पॉपकॉर्न ईट इट व्हाइल इट्स हॉट, यानी यू हैव टू ईट इट व्हेन इट्स हॉट। जब तक ये गर्म ना हो, जब तक ये पक ना जाए अच्छी तरह, तब तक आप इसको नहीं खा सकते। ईट इट व्हाइल इट्स हॉट, उसको तब खाए जब ये गर्म हो। ओके, पॉप पॉप पॉपकॉर्न बटर ऑन द टॉप। वाओ, अब ये और भी टेस्टी हो जाते। इट्स मोर टेस्टी व्हेन वी पुट स्मॉल बटर ऑन द टॉप ऑफ पॉपकॉर्न। When I eat popcorn, I can't stop. जब मैं पॉपकॉर्न खाना स्टार्ट करता हूँ, I can't stop, तो फिर मैं खुद को नहीं रोक पाता। Now look at all the red color words that is brought with red color. Pot, hot, top, stop. All these are rhyming words because the ending sound are same. Okay, so this was a poem regarding popcorn, and in this poem we have done the practice of rhyming words. We have other rhyming words like cat, bat, hat, fat, mat, right? Now look at the next one slide. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. The first one is JU-GE. Complete it, shabash. Complete this word by putting a suitable letter over here. Hurry up, be quick. The time is short. Yes, Muhammad Yasser. It's judge. Judge. Yes, Mariam Salim. Good. The second one is Q-U-U-E. Complete this one word by putting a suitable letter over here. Queue. Good. Harim Naveed. Well done. Q-U-E-U-E. Queue. Qatar. Row. Line. The third one is P-R-E-S-E-N-E. What is the third one? Put a suitable letter over here and complete this word. Yes, good. Muhammad Yasser, Marosh Khan, Aqsa Haroon. This is presence. Good. Well done. The fourth one is dash and L-I-G-H-T-E-N. Complete it. Shabash. Be quick. Enlighten. Muhammad Yasser. Brilliant. Harim Naveed. Outstanding. The fifth one is B-I-T-T-R-L-Y. What is this? Do it, shabash. Batterly. Good. Muhammad Yasser. Brilliant. Okay, now I'm going to show you the complete slide. The first one is judge. The second is queer. Third, presence. Fourth, enlighten. And fifth, battery. Now, look at the last one slide. Okay, fill in the blanks with correct articles. I told you that what is articles? A and the are articles. A is used for singular, uncommon, for common. Okay, A is used for common and N is also used for common things, but A is used for singular, right? And N is used with vowels. When there's a vowel sound, so we will use N before that. And the is used with a specific things. The first one is Asia is dash largest continent in the world. So here the place is specific to us. ठीक है, हमें पता है कि कौन सी एरिया की बात हो रही है. The Asia is the largest superlative degree, right? So Asia is the largest continent. Continent बरियाज़म को कहते हैं. How many continents are there in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. ठीक है, बरियाज़म Asia, Europe, Australia, Africa, America, South Africa, right? The second one is my cousin is dash doctor. My cousin is a doctor. Here is, we are talking about a single person, single unnoun person, right? The third one is there is dash oranges on the table. There is an oranges because the word oranges start from a vowel sound. So we have to put an over here. Bring me dash bottle of water. Bring me a bottle of water, right? Because here we are talking about singular thing. Sadia is an honest girl. Here the honest word is start from consonant H, but the H is silent over here and the word is start from O sound. O, honest. So we will put an over here. Sadia is an honest girl. He quickly ate the cake. He is identified to us and the cake is also identified to us. He quickly ate the cake. So that was all about article. Now Moving towards your homework. Note down your homework. Shabash, hurry up. Learn and do written practice of all question answers of Unit 3. You have to learn the all three questions. Question number 1, 2, and 3 of today's lecture and have to do written practice of it. I am going to show you all the questions just for a while and take screenshot of it. This is question number first. Take a screenshot, Shabash, be quick. This is question number second. Now this is question number third. So you have to learn all these questions and also do written practice of it, right? In the question number third, in the last line, this is not, is she, right? Okay, but you take great care of yourself. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.